crack it over the knee. That's like $1,000 right there. G'day guys, welcome back to Uncle Joe Racing. Today we've got the 2016 BMW M6 Competition Edition. Well, when we first got this car, I had a little accident where I didn't realize how low this car is, and I ran the splitter into a curb. Just a little, and it cracked it, so we've got our replacement here. Should be a real straightforward replacement. This eBay Chinese carbon fiber should look fantastic. All right, let's slap it on. All right, we gotta get the last bolt out here. We've got our gold icon wrench. I think we've got it right here. We're missing one. There's definitely one more. Try not to stab ourselves. Oh, can't get the glasses. Yeah, there's one more. All of these have been literally basically finger tight, which is fantastic. Oh my gosh, I can't get this one. It's always the last bolt. That is so hard. Come out of your home. All right, I believe we have all the bolts out now, finally. So it should just be held on with tape. Let's give it a look. Maybe a slight tug. Oh man, oh wow, they used a lot of tape. Oh my God, they used a lot of tape. Wow. Oh my God. Wow. There's gotta be an easier way. I wonder if I should, we don't have a heat gun. That'd probably be the way to do it. Because I bet you need a fucking heat gun and you have to sit here and like, get it hot. Unless I just really go for it. Wow. I'm pushing really hard on this. Do you guys have any tips or tricks for how to get this glue off? Wow. I'm like triple checking that there's no bolts, and there are not any bolts. This is just really... I don't know. We might have to go get a heat gun. I mean, not stab myself with a bolt. This side's coming off a little easier. Wow. Whatever glue they use is no joke. I'm moving the whole car. And I'm gonna punch the, oh, there we go. I feel like I'm gonna punch the ground. There we go. We're getting it, we're getting it. I need some knee pads over here. Oh, this is when I punch the ground. I can feel it coming. Oh, soft, soft, soft. Yes. Oh, there we go. There we go, guys. Well, they only used like 1, 2, 3 pieces. But wow, did that hold that on there. All right, now we have to clean off whatever stuff it left underneath there. Kind of bent one of our little clips. We'll bend that guy back. Okay. But it's also way skinnier. Got it right here. I don't know why I did that. I don't know why I started right here instead of right here. All right, well now we got it all taped up. I think that should be enough. I mean, it's skinnier, but we used a ton more across it. This should just pop it up in, and then we'll have to put in the bolts. Hopefully it sticks and hopefully it fits right. I haven't really checked the fit yet. Actually, you know what? Let's check the fit right now as I'm saying that, before we even undo the tape. So I'm not just committing to it. Hope it fits. Oops. Wow, that is maybe not the straightest. Oh no. These cheap Chinese carbon fibers, I tell you what. This is really tough, guys, to get this to line up perfectly. This is just a little bit off. I mean, it's flexible, but right? This is terrible. I cannot for the life of me get this red top part off. Oh, come on. Almost got one. Don't be like this. I'm trying not to scratch my brand new carbon fiber.
Thousands of tears later.
There we go. Yes, that is so satisfying to finally get it. Yay, alright, we got the last one. Alright guys, we're gonna hopefully get this semi-close and lined up now that we got the tape off. I think I should go from the center. So I'm just gonna stick one side. Oh, I don't think I'm far enough over. I don't know how many of those I get, but that was probably the only one. Alright, I'm gonna start putting bolts in. And that should help, I hope. Bolts help everything stay better. More better. Working on lowered cars like this is terrible. I should have jacked it up, I think. This is really hard to line up. Please go in your home. It's always something, guys. It's never easy. This is supposed to be a 5-minute install. You know, quick little video for you guys, keep you entertained. But BMW has other ideas. It says, no. It's kind of on there, just kidding. As I tighten it, it's getting better, guys. Who would have thought? More torque. That would help to have a bolt right there. Helps have a bolt to be able to tighten. Oh, my arm is tired. Okay. Gotta love putting on carbon fiber and just hearing it crunch and crack. Ah! We're messing up our 24-karat gold wrench. I'm pushing it around. I think I got it. I think we got it. Let's go, guys. Man, that makes your shoulder so tired. You're pushing up with like all your string. Okay. So that's probably why. Yep. We got it. It's on. Now we gotta actually go through and tighten it. Wow. Bolts into the head. Very nice feeling. You want to go just until you hear the carbon fiber crack. Yes. Oh, I got it. Let's go, guys. Oh. That moment when you're like, I don't think I'm going to get this, and then it goes in, that's the best feeling. Otherwise, we probably would have lost this splitter on the freeway at like 150 miles an hour. Not that I ever go that fast. Only on closed tracks. Alright guys, well we got that on. That took way longer than expected. These cheap carbon fiber lips, they don't always go on as easy as expected, but man does it look better than the old cracked up one. We've got this one now. I don't know what we're gonna do with it. Maybe we'll just like crack it over the knee. That's like $1,000 right there. But thanks so much for coming along on this journey. We'll catch you guys on the next one.